Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the April Bath & Shower Citrus and Coconut Scented Shower Gel. This is 10 ounces for $1. I do like their packaging. It does remind me of Bath & Body Works. So in regards to what their packaging used to look like and stuff like that, I do feel that Dollar Tree is really stepping up their game in some areas like this. This looks more than $1 and it looks more high end, and I love that. Another thing about the shower gel is I really love the scent. It's more citrus than anything, but the downside is it does not linger on your skin in the shower though. Like, you wash your body, you can smell it, but by the time you get out, there's really no scent there. Maybe if you pair it with their body spray and their lotion that coordinates with the scent, the shower gel itself, I don't know, but for the most part it just does not linger. And that's not a huge issue as long as it gets you clean, for me anyways, because I always use body mist and lotions anyways. I do want to point out I have reviewed stuff like this in the past. This one is a tad bit different though. I absolutely love the peach one they had like a summer or so ago. It was so good. It lathered so well. Yeah, the product a little bit watery, kind of thin. Can see there. Yeah, this one is really thin. Now, also, unlike the other one that did lather really well, this one lathers, but it takes more product to do so. I have used more than a quarter of this bottle already on 2 showers. You literally have to get some, lather it on, and then get more because all of your soap is gone, dissipated. Yeah, I'm not happy in that regard, just because that's, I don't know, most of the time I feel like a lot of the Dollar Tree shower gels that I've tried, they lather really well, they sud really quickly and really well with the smallest amounts, but this is taking twice or more of the amount that I feel like it should to get a good lather and really wash your body well. So I really hate that. I am not digging the formula of this one, but my favorite part, like I said, is the scent itself. It's so nice. It's more citrus than the coconut itself, and it's overall nice. I do like that it's a pretty color. It's here. It is a Greenbrier product. I do feel though, if you are in a pinch or even making maybe a gift basket, maybe you want to go the cheaper route and make a baby shower gift, or like a prize gift, or say a bridal shower game gift thing or prize. This paired with like the lotion and the spray they have and some other cute, like maybe a little tablet with a cute pen or something all meshed together as a prize or something, I think yes, great. Maybe you're not looking to spend a lot on a shower gel. Maybe you went to visit, maybe you went on vacation and you don't want to spend a lot of money. Run into the Dollar Tree. This will be perfect for that. It will get you clean, but I just don't like that you're going to use twice the amount of product and you're going to go through this twice as fast. Yeah, it's just $1, but with my personal experience with their shower gels and stuff, I expected a bit more from this one. So I will not be repurchasing the Citrus and Coconut scented shower gel in the future. I may gravitate towards some other scents from the April Bath & Shower, but for now I'm gonna steer clear. And yes, that's the review. I hope you guys found it helpful. Maybe you'll try some scents out yourself, try it out, and for your own opinion on the products. Overall, they're not bad products. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming Dollar Tree videos. And as always, thank you for watching.